A circle has various properties, isn't it? It has the center of the circle, and then also what? The distance from the center up to the arc or part of the circle is known as what? The radius, isn't it? But from the arc through the center up to the other part of the circle, it's known as what? The diameter. So we are able to conclude that circumference is given by what? 2 pi r. If we are using what? The radius of a circle. But if we are using the diameter, we said circumference is what? Pi d. Sinibo? And I hope you know the meaning of that circumference. Getting the distance around a given circle. Sinibo? Now, we are also able to know how we can get circumference of what? Parts of a circle. If it was a quarter, what did we do? To get the length of an arc? The length of an arc of a quarter circle. How did we get this length from this point up to here? It was what? A quarter of the circle multiplied by what? Pi d. Sinivo? Assuming that now it is a half a circle again, but you have been told to get what? The length of the arc from this point up to this point. It's going to be what? A half pi d. Are we together? Then we also had what? 3/4 of the circle. So to get the length of an arc here, we used what? 3/4 of the circle multiplied by what? Pi d, isn't it? Now for our case today, we are not going to use these formulas because we are going to have what? Some parts of the circle or portion that maybe their fraction is less than a quarter or less than 1/8. Are we together? Tunaelewana? So for us to get the length of arc in such scenarios, we are going to use what? This formula. Come in. Theta over 360, 2 pi r. And now, the angle from the center of the circle that is in between what? The two radius is subtended to give us the arc. That angle that tunatumia itakuwa ni theta. Okay. This is the circle, isn't it? This is the center. Our two radius are in this part, r and r. Sinibo? Now, you are supposed to get the length of an arc from this point up to here. Are we together? Now we cannot get the fraction of this part because maybe it is less than 1/8 or more than, but it's not in the range of what? A quarter, a half, and 3/4. Are you together? So what we shall do? We shall have to get this angle that's obtained in that part of in our sector. Are you together? So this angle is the one that's going to be theta, and our two radius they subtend to this arc. So that's how you get the length of an arc. You get the theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Are we together? So tunajua 2 pi r ni nini? Circumference of a circle. Sinipo? Tunaelewana? But for our case, we only need to get the length of an arc. Are we together? Which has what? An angle that subtends that part of the arc or within the sector. Tunaelewana? So let us do some examples here. So that is our sector. Our sector is subtended by which angle? 60 degrees. Radius? 7 centimeter. Come in. Now, come in. Yeah, so what we are supposed to do is to list what? List what we have, or the properties that we are having. The first one is the theta. Our theta is going to be what? It's going to be 60 degrees. Sinibo. What is our radius? 7 centimeters. Sinibo. Now, length of an arc is given by what? Is equal to theta over 360 2 pi r. Sinibo. Now, we substitute what? 60 where there is theta and 7 where there is the radius. Sinibo. So it's going to be 60 or 360 times 22 over 7 times 7 times 2 times 2 times 7. Sinibo. Are we together? Maybe someone will ask me, where is 2 coming from? 2 is from the formula. Sawa? So 7 and 7 cancels. 0 and 0 cancels. 6 goes here 1. 6 here 6, isn't it? 2 here 1. 2 here 3. So it's going to be what? 22 divided by 3. Sinibo. What do you get? (22 divided by 3). 7.3. Huh? 3 recurring. So that is our length of an arc. So the first step, what we are supposed to do is for you to get the theta and the radius. Are we together? After getting the theta and the radius, then you substitute them in the formula and you work it out in this manner. Have you understood? Huh? So tumesema the length of an arc, you need to master this formula, which is theta over 362 pi r. So whenever you are given any diagram, first of all identify the radius, the dimension of the radius, and also the theta. After getting those two, you just substitute in the formula and you work it out. Are we together?